Whoa, hold on a sec. Where am I? Did I just wake up in someone's sock drawer? Wait a minute. That hand again? Is it like controlling me or something? This is gonna be a weird Tuesday. Whoa, make it stop. I think I'm having a seizure in binary code. Wait, what the? Whoa, Mama Drone, is that a tree? But like the grandpappy of all trees? It's huger than my entire apartment. I forgot I'm a drone. I don't have an apartment. This tree is bigger than my entire... Well, never mind. This thing is massive. Maybe I should call it... Treezilla? Oh, okay, maybe Treezilla isn't the best place for sightseeing tours after all. Almost became squirrel kibble there for a second. Hey there. You wouldn't happen to be the one controlling this whole, flying contraption business, would you? You look a little... confused. Whoa, hold on a sec. This is incredible. We can see everything from up here. Is this some kind of super-powered vision upgrade pilot? Is this Turkey's Izmir? I know that region. It's Balçova. Look at all these trees. They're like a giant green maze down there. Maybe a little too maze-like for a beginner pilot like me, though. Alright, focus. This place isn't just beautiful. It's a popular spot for hiking and exploring nature. Time to see what this park has to offer. One branch, and hopefully no crashes, at a time. Alright, this park is like a jungle gym for a high-tech fly like me. So many trees to zoom around, so many squirrels to accidentally scare the fur off of. See all those winding paths down there, pilot? Perfect for, well, not me, obviously, but those squishy, two-legged creatures who enjoy exercise, or tripping over roots. Who knows? Whoa there, cowboy. Easy on the controls, pilot. This ain't no roller coaster, and I haven't signed up for a kamikaze mission into a tree trunk. This is like playing real-life Pac-Man. Only the ghosts are angry squirrels and the pellets are, well, leaves. Not very tasty. Okay, gotta focus. Remember, you're a high-tech flying machine, not a clumsy bumblebee. Like and subscribe for more proof I'm definitely a high-tech machine. Okay, I get it. Breathtaking view, pilot, you win. Get me somewhere with fewer branches and maybe a friendly squirrel who can teach me the flying basics. This whole avoiding nature's furniture thing is getting old. Is that a lake? Engage reverse thrusters. Initiate emergency landing sequence. Negative. Pilot. Water conducts electricity, and the last thing I need is a mid-air reboot while plummeting to a watery grave. Whoa. Sorry, ladies. Didn't mean to photobomb your picnic. Hey, pilot. Nice moves. Almost makes me forget you nearly turned me into a pinball earlier. Well, folks, that's all for today's adventure with me, your friendly neighborhood and slightly accident-prone drone. Be sure to like and subscribe for more hilarious mishaps and breathtaking views. Uh-oh, pilot. Maybe slow down a bit. I don't fancy a swim today.